i35equipment.com. This Komatsu Pc170Lc-10 hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look at this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to company if you like. We are open by appointment only though, so just give us a call, get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. Be happy to have you out. Check it out for yourself. And if you'd like a line quote, we send equipment all over the country, so again, this machine shipped to you. Shouldn't be too big of an issue. Just fill out the form, website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that there's several callers and nationwide broker. Guys, best way to contact us. We do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling, or you can pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. This Komatsu does have those weld-on side guards from the factory. Pretty nice to have if you're working near trees or other structures. Also has hydraulic thumb, which is fantastic for pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading trucks, and everything else. Runs and operates excellent. Cold working air conditioning. Switchable control pattern, so no matter who's in the operator seat, they feel right at home with their pattern control of choice. It does have that Esco bucket on it with 4 teeth. However, if you need a different size, at this time we have different used and new buckets available. Please see our full and up-to-date inventory of buckets and equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Working horn, as you can hear, and you may have seen, but it does have the dual travel speeds. Some may see pick it up there, so really nice to get across the job site or the pasture. It does have 4 tiger teeth, great for digging through some harder surfaces. That thumb does have the serrated edges to help you grab onto whatever it is you're working on getting a hold of. Go ahead and climb up here and take a look at the motor and at the storage area underneath the step here. It does have the Honda safety rails on it. She's pretty straight. The hand rail looks good. It doesn't look like that working there. Structures for trees. fisheye lens to give you a good view of the interior. You can feel that cold working air conditioning in here. Just had a factory Komatsu seat underneath this seat cover. The hydraulic thumb is operated by the foot pedal down here. You can close this door so you can keep some of this cold air in. Alright, take a look around in here. Radio. No lights, no issues, no codes. Red light on because we don't have our seatbelt on. It may look like it's flickering, in real life it's not. Currently sitting at just about 55.93 hours. Working rear view camera. Nice cold working AC. I'm going to turn these lights off so I don't forget about it. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Happy to help. And as always, you see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.935equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.